Okay guys, welcome back to another episode. So today I'm going to be looking at this HPI Baja, something that's fairly new to my collection, although it's a old RC, something I picked up second hand. I have run this, given it one test run. There's quite a few problems with it, a few bits and bobs that previous owners haven't done properly. So today I'm going to be stripping it down, every nut and bolt, giving it a good overhaul, a good service, replacing a few parts, and then hopefully rebuilding it, and then give her another test run, and hopefully that'll be more successful than the last time. So I'll probably just time lapse it. I'm not really much of a Baja expert, but Paul's going to be coming over, give me a hand, who's owned several of these himself, and hopefully at the end we'll fire it up. And I believe there's still a bit of snow outside, so hopefully give it a bit of a run in the snow.
This side. Yeah. It's difficult going out on the road.